Just in case they ain't get the picture the first time around.
I see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater.
Justin done pulled up on me.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see the Camaro out in the sun?
Six months later.
We got the 06 Trailblazer. Finna get dropped back off. Finna do a remix on it. Y'all can remember Justin had pulled the Camaro over, pulling it. Well, he was pulling the Camaro with this. He finna do a remix for the summer. What color you going with, Justin? Do you remember?
I don't remember. What's up?
You remember Fever?
Yeah, I heard.
It's a he going with a and what color the base is? Oh, like a neon green base with a like a burgundy pearl.
You been in the hospital though. He was in the hospital for a while.
So y'all stay tuned. We finna get it off the trailer and pull it around back. Then I'll tell you more about it.
Later.
I finally get to do the walk around on the Trailblazer. Found a little time today. I'm gonna start doing the body work here and there, so I wanted to do this walk around. He got a 6.0 in it. He just put it in and got it running. Haven't been tuned, so it's sometimes it won't stay crunk. And I think he got a stage 4 cam in it. Got a lot of chop in it, but he just got it running and brought it to me so I can start doing the body work and paint it. But you can see right here, paint started chipping, so that wasn't sanded well. So I got to address all of that before I paint it. Like here, just here, spots here now. This side here pretty good, except around the door handles. But the other side was wrecked, so I got to address the other side, because the other side gap is nothing like this. It was wrecked and pushed in. Let me take you around here to it. Also there, but we're gonna come back to that. See, all this here was pushed in. You can see this gap here. And then whoever did the body work, they just slopped it, put it, you know, they ain't even try to get the shape back. I guess they did the best they could. It's just all off. Down here, paint chipping. See, these the spots, you know, a lot of folks don't take time to sand, and it'll come back and bite you. You gotta sand all up in here, because if you don't, it'll start peeling just like that. And I think we're gonna paint the top black. Like from here, all this is gonna be black. The rest of it gonna be that pearl. I'm gonna take you inside and show you the paint. We already got the paint. I can try to crank it. Let me let the hood up and I'm gonna crank it for you. That's if it'll stay crunk. It's real loud now. I go on and try to crank it now. Here we go again. Gotta find the key. Got it right here. See, it won't. Don't want to stay crunk. Got left for us tuning it and getting it to run right, but let me cut it off. But that's the plan. We're gonna do the door jambs, all the color match color, but let me take you inside and show you the paint. Here's the paint for the Trailblazer. I doubt if this is gonna be enough because we're gonna paint the wheels as well. But I'm gonna get all this up on the table. We'll take a look at it. All right, let's get everything up on the table here. This here will be the base coat. It's the electric line. It's just telling you how to mix it, what PSI to spray it at. Here's some reducer, standard, medium. I probably use slow. All depends on the temperature when I get ready to spray it. This here gonna be the activator because you can tell. Nah, it's the inner coat, blended clear. I was finna say this is gonna be the activator because you can tell by the cap. But the reducer got a white cap and the activator got a red cap. But this is the inner coat clear. This is what we're gonna be mixing the pearl in. Here's the pearl. It's the same pearl I used on that, I had a razor up here. Same pearl I used on that Monte Carlo, the last one I painted. No, not the, it might not be the last one because I'm painting another one now, gray. But here it goes, the Screaming Deep Red. It's the Monte Carlo, look like a copper color. That's the same pearl I used. I'm just using a different base. This is more base. He had got a car kit and a motorcycle kit. But like I said, I doubt that's gonna be enough for the SUV. Plus painting the wheels. This some more, well, this the clear coat. Some more inner coat clear. Let's put this over here, because that's the second stage. This is the first stage. And the clear is the third stage. It's just some reducer. See the activator got a red cap. It's the activator. And now this here must be the 1 can of activator and 1 can of clear coat. That I'm guessing. Activator. This must be the clear coat. I'm gonna clear coat. Now I need to open it and show you this the color of this base coat. See if I can get it open. Yep. Let me shake it up. It's like a neon green. And it's gonna have this pearl on top of it. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be spraying the jams pretty soon after I do the body work. It ain't much body work on it though, but y'all stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.